So, sequel to the video I made the other day about when to start introducing the letter sound, another question is, should we start with upper or lower case? Surely we should start with lower case, since most print in our everyday lives is in lower case. So I can't expect them to start writing everything in uppercase. Another one is, should we teach letter names of all sounds first? Definitely, we should start with the sound, because this is the foundation upon which reading and spelling skills are built. Starting with the letter name is very confusing. What are the best methods for teaching the alphabet? We can start introducing one letter at a time. Later, introduce one known and unknown. Let the child write in the air, write in the sandpaper to gain muscular impression, learn simple rhymes and songs about the letter, and create some fun crafts with the letters. Have letter of the week. Thank you.